breathing through house, calming the nerve system in stressful moments. Sit in a space where you feel safe. Close your eyes. Bring your attention inward. Breathe naturally without forcing deep inhales. Simply be. Feel your points of contact with the ground, feet, back, hands. You are here, and that is enough. Now use the 4-2-6 breathing technique. Inhale through the nose, count to 4, hold, count to 2, exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat this cycle 4 times. With each exhale, silently say, I am safe. I am breathing. I am here. I am safe. I am breathing. I am here. If thoughts arise, let them pass like clouds in the sky. Feel your body soften. You're coming back to yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.